Okay, so today we'll continue, yes, with the other, with other slides. Yes, so let me, okay, slides there. So yes, yesterday we talked up to that the boy came to the almost halfway. आधी बाटोसम्म पुगेको हामीले हेरेका थियौँ है. Okay. So you will just keep writing. है लेख्नु सम्भावना छैन भने you can just take a screenshot. Okay, so what happens? What did the boy do? But step by step, pausing and continuing, and collecting his courage, being motivated by the idea of getting a puppy. Actually, the boy had the idea of getting puppy, and if he didn't, pass that way, he wouldn't get the puppy. So the idea was there in his mind that he would get the puppy if he crosses the, he crosses the carpet. Okay, and the carpet which is actually full of conflicts for him. So already he carefully and cautiously moved on, avoiding the black and the red parts, because yes, you knew that black and red parts, these two parts are dangerous for him. Yes, so black parts, when he thought that the black parts are snakes and red parts are red hot lumps of coil. So just as far as possible, or how much he could, yes, he tried to avoid the parts which are dangerous for him, especially the black and red parts. Okay, because he just tried to step on the yellow part, and the yellow part was safe for him. Right? The yellow part चाहिँ सेफ थियो, त्यही भएर yellow part मा उसले के गर्दै थियो त भने त्यो स्टेप गर्दै थियो. Okay. So and what happened in the course of stepping forward, he could sense the snake steered as though sensing his nearness. Yes, he got the sense. Yeah, he thought that the snakes, they were raising their heads. Okay, and raised its head and gazed at the foot with bright beady eyes, watching to see if it was going to touch. That sense, because see, there were two parts, red parts, and then next one was a black part. Yes or no? Sorry, yes, red part and black part. And he was basically more frightened because of the black parts, because black parts had poisonous snakes. Yes, and that the same thing was in his mind, that that the snake would steer यताउता चलमलाउँछ, अनि त्यसपछि टाउको उठाउँछ, टाउको उठाएर उसको खुट्टातिर हेर्छ. Yes or no? So that thing was there in his mind. है, त्यो चाहिँ उसको माइन्डमा चाहिँ थियो. Okay. So, but the child, what happens? Although he was afraid of the snakes, or despite his, frightened state, what happened? He didn't stop. I would say stop by now. He kept on going. Because the destination point was there in his mind. Yes, the destination point, the aim, the goal was there in his mind. And because of that determination to get the puppy, yes, on his birthday, yeah, actually encouraged him to move forward. है, उसलाई चाहिँ के भन्छ अगाडि जाने एउटा के थियो त, उ चाहिँ भइरहेको थियो, उसलाई इन्करेज गरिरहेको थियो. Okay, so here what happened? The child went high up on his toes and stayed there, frozen, stiff with terror. See, he was, terrorized. He was terrified. Yes, with the idea of the snake in his mind. Okay, he was afraid of that, but still he went on. He continued his journey. है, आफ्नो journey उसले के गर्यो त, continue गर्दै गयो. Then what happened when he took a long step to avoid deep curling river of black? Actually, the black part was there, just like the river curling Bango Tingo, हैन, river जस्तै थियो त्यो. Okay, that ran clear across the width of the carpet. He unfortunately found his deep curling river of black underneath him. See, unfortunately, what happens while he was just trying to step on the yellow part? Yeah, unfortunately, what happened? Actually his foot actually stepped on, you know, the black part. Hey, black part मा अलिकति त्यहाँ त्यसको के गरेछ परेछ है. Then he ubbled. उबल भनेको he moved unsteadily, अलिकति जिउ यताउता भयो, हलायो हैन उ चाहिँ, and waved his arms frantically to keep his balance. अब त राखिसकेपछि अब लडिन्छ कि जस्तो भयो हैन. And then with the help of his arms he stretched his arms and then he thought to keep his balance so that he wouldn't fall है. त्यो नलडोस्, उसको ब्यालेन्स मिलोस् हैन. अनि फेरि त्यो ब्ल्याक पार्ट्सबाट पनि अलिकति के अरे बच्न पाओस् भनेर उसको चाहिँ सोचाइ. That seemed to make it worse. But actually, when he waved his arms, instead of getting balanced, what happened? That some problem came. Hey, problems आयो. Yes, and it got worse. Yeah, balancing his arm didn't help him here. Yeah, help चाहिँ गरेन. के भयो त हेरौँ. Instinctively, what happened? He put out a hand to break the fall. Yes. उसे लड्न लागि थियो, and then he used his hand, yes, so that he wouldn't fall, but found his bare hand going right into the middle of a great glistening mass of black. But unfortunately, what happened? What was the situation? Actually, he tried to control himself with the help of his hands. He tried to balance at first. Later on, when that didn't help him, then with the help of a hand, he tried to control himself so he wouldn't fall. He would not let us भनेर. But के भयो भने उसको हात चाहिँ एउटा ब्ल्याक पार्टको हात चाहिँ टेक्दाखेरि ब्ल्याक भागमा परेछ. And then what happened? Let's see. He gave one piercing cry as it touched. त्यो पर्दाखेरि के भयो भने उ जोरले चिच्यायो, करायो. Yes, कराइसकेपछि what happened then? His mother, that is his high मात्रै भएछ. His mother was looking for him outside in the sunshine, far away behind the house. Actually, he was inside the house, yes, and his mother was outside in the sunshine. Outside it was, sunny, yeah, and then his mother was searching for him, but he was inside, as are now, and the story ended. Okay, that's कथा यही सकिन्छ. Okay, so in this way, when you say, actually this shows the use of imagination, curiosity, in the same way when you say creativity or enthusiasm or whatever you say. Yes, these all things actually encourage the boy, yeah, to tackle the problems. Yes, without getting back. Yeah, he tried to tackle the problems which had come across his way. Yes, but he was not discouraged despite the problems, as are now. And he learned many things as he kept going. But at last, what happens? He got the problem. He had to, he has to step on the black parts and के भयो त करायो. भनेपछि यसमा के हुन्छ, एउटा चाइल्ड साइकोलोजी, बच्चाले जुन एउटा प्रब्लम फेस गर्छ, त्यो प्रब्लम फेस गर्दाखेरि he moved just forward, but sometimes what happens, he can get or she can get failure in his life. And at the time what happens, अब के हुन्छ, यसरी फेलर भइसकेपछि चिच्याउने कराउने, तर डिपेन्डेन्ट, दे एक्चुअली a child is mostly dependent on parents, but still he or she keeps learning है, तर पनि के हुन्छ, सिकिरहेको हुन्छ. यति हो यसमा the wisma है. अब let's move forward. We'll see some other parts. So diagram of events, what happens mostly कुनै पनि स्टोरीमा हामी चाहिँ यसरी यो प्लटको स्ट्रक्चर हुन्छ के हैन. जस्तै फर्स्ट पार्टमा के हुन्छ, एउटा कथा चाहिँ सरर बग्छ, that is called, the first part is called initial incident, that means exposition. Yes, the first part. And in this story also what happens, there is the exposition, we'll talk of that. And exposition is the beginning of the story. Yes, that introduces conflict, character or setting. Okay, so that first part is exposition. And what happens when the story moves on, yes or no, इट किप्स राइजिङ अप है यो अलिकति त्यो त्यसमा के हुन्छ त्यो स्टोरीमा राइज हुन्छ त्यसैले विशमा कसरी भयो विल टक अफ ओके राइजिङ अप इभेन्ट्स सो इभेन्ट्स बिफोर द क्लाइमेक्स एन्ड क्यारेक्टर्स अटेम्प्ट टु सल्भ द प्रब्लम बट फेल यस सो वाट ह्यापन्स क्यारेक्टर यसमा के हुन्छ केही प्रब्लम आउँछ त्यसलाई सोल्भ गर्न खोजिरहेको हुन्छ तर फेल भइरहेको हुन्छ त्यो एक्सन चाहिँ अझसम्म अझ माथि 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 गइरहेको हुन्छ ओके and the third part is the climax is the turning point right the point of the greatest suspense or action that is the climax so what is the climax in this story we'll talk up fourth point is the falling action अब के हुन्छ कुनै पनि स्टोरी एउटा क्लाइमेक्समा पुगिसकेपछि त्यहाँबाट झर्नु पर्ने हुन्छ हैन जस्तै हामी when a mountaineer gets on the summit after that what happens he or she just tries to calm down हैन calm down भए जस्तै के हुन्छ एक्सन फल हुन्छ एक्सन एन्ड इभेन्ट्स दैट अकर आफ्टर द क्लाइमेक्स एन्ड एट लास्ट व्हाट ह्यापन्स त्यहाँ के हुन्छ समस्याको समाधान हुन्छ रिजोल्युसन हुन्छ एन्ड अफ द स्टोरी वेयर द कन्फ्लिक्ट्स अर प्रब्लम्स आर सल्भड सो व्हाट वी डू इज हामीले यो स्टोरीलाई द विशलाई विल सी द सेम स्टोरी फ्रम दिस 5 पोइन्ट्स है यो पोइन्ट्सबाट हेर्छौँ एक्सपोजिसनमा चाहिँ के हुन्छ राइजिङ एक्सनमा के हुन्छ देन व्हाट ह्यापन्स इन द क्लाइमेक्स then falling action, then resolution. Let's see. Here, first of all, initial incident means exposition. Okay, क्या हुन्छ? The boy notices the carpet that triggered the whole, conflict. Okay. If he had not actually he sees the carpet and actually each and every conflict comes to the existence only or in the conditions that he saw the carpet उसले कार्पेट नदेख्या भए वा कलर नदेख्या भए राम्रोसँग नहेर्या भए कन्फ्लिक्ट चाहिँ सुरु हुँदैन थियो ओके देन राइजिङ एक्सन व्हाट ह्यापन्स द बोय स्टार्ट्स स्टेपिङ जब येलो पार्टमा के हुन्छ टेक्दै जान्छ हैन अनि त्यसपछि बीच भागमा गएर अलिकति डगमगाउँछ पनि उ हैन तीन राइजिङ एक्सन भयो त्यति हुँदा पनि उले के गर्छ त he continues his steps he continues his journey okay despite the fearful or panic situation okay rising action then climax ma ke huncha actually what happens त्यो त्यतातिर पुगिसकेपछि एउटा अवस्था यस्तो हुन्छ कि उ चाहिँ राइट जाऊ कि लेफ्ट जाऊ भन्ने हुन्छ yes he had to select either he had to go left or right but he chose the left किन लेफ्ट भागतिर ब्ल्याक स्पॉट्स कम हुन्छ and he was more afraid of the snakes है उ चाहिँ स्नेक बाट के हुन्छ धेरै afraid हुन्छ so to the left side there were less black spots but to the left it was difficult बाटो अप्ठ्यारो हुन्छ डिफिकल्ट हुन्छ तर लेस स्पोर्ट्स हुन्छ but because of in spite of the difficulties also what happens he select to go to the left है लेफ्ट लिएको हुन्छ उ क्लाइमेक्स मा then the boy takes up a step onto the next allow when his foot comes within a centimeter close to the black है black को नजिकमा आउँछ त्यो चाहिँ क्लाइमेक्समा हुन्छ and then because of this what happened actually he was about to fall he wobbled yes and he tried to control his balance हैन आफ्नो ब्यालेन्स चाहिँ पनि कन्ट्रोल गरेर हुन्छ स्नेकले उले यस्तो हुन्छ कि स्नेक चाहिँ उसको आइरहेछ टोक्न आइरहेछ जस्तो हुन्छ okay when he looked at all the red and black that lay ahead of him, he felt that the old sudden sickening sort of panic in his chest. He was afraid of, the idea of the mixture of both black and in the red. Yes, made him quite panic or puzzled. Yes, एकदम डर भइरहेको हुन्छ त्यो मिक्सचरको ब्ल्याक र व्हाइटको मिक्सचरको कारणले गर्दाखेरि okay then falling action what was the falling action see there he continues across the carpet he decides to slowly step over he tried to move back हैन but he couldn't अब कुन बेला हुन्छ half way मा गइसकेपछि he saw back to see how much he has come forward yes or no but what happens जब जुन रातो भागमा के रे कालो भागको नजिकमा गएर टेक्ने जस्तो हुन्छ लड्ने जस्तो त्यसबेला it means an idea came to his mind that he would turn back because that was danger for him but he couldn't at the time right and he tried to shift all his weight to his front foot but he couldn't अब उले चाहिँ अगाडिको खुट्टामा गएर अलिकति ब्यालेन्स गरौ कन्ट्रोल गरौ त्यसपछि हातको प्रयोग गरेर कन्ट्रोल गरौ तर पनि उले गर्न सक्दैन then he was properly stuck त्यहाँ के हुन्छ टाँसे जस्तै हुन्छ. And what was the resolution? Resolution was that the snake started steering underneath him, and then he started to wobble, tries to keep his balance by waving his arms, and then he slowly started to fall over, falling faster and faster towards the black. And he fell. जब लड्छ ऊ हातले चाहिँ एउटा कालो भागमा टेक्छ, त्यसपछि के हुन्छ, कथा सकिन्छ. Okay, so in this way, yeah, in a story, what happened, we mostly describe this story from these 5 points. Initiating incidents, rising action, climax, falling action, and resolution. Okay, यसरी चाहिँ ल. यसमा तिम्रो केही छ भने you can ask. Okay, then what happens, this is all about this story है. यो सबै अब हामीले यसको चाहिँ theme के छ, let's have a look on the theme. Okay, the theme is actually each and every moment of one's life poses a challenge. Actually, from when you see the boy and when we think about the boy, we can see that though he was a child, still he had challenges. The first challenge was the scab. होइन, पहिलो challenge उसको scab थियो. त्यसै गरेर अर्को एउटा one of the biggest challenges, yes or no, he faced was the carpet. होइन, carpet भनेको real life conflict भनेको देखाएको छ त्यो. And so what happens, हामी प्रत्येक पल के गर्छौं भने in human life, actually a human, either a child or an adult or an old man, yes or no, each and everyone, yes, has challenge at each and every moment in life, yes or no. This is the first point, the theme. And one more thing is that what happens, don't let your imagination run away with your common sense. Yes, sometimes what happens, हामी भन्छौं यो यसो गर्नु हुन्छ, यसो गर्नु हुँदैन हैन, एउटा हामी common sense को use गर्छौं. But here the writer says that it's not better to let our imagination run away with our common sense. So imagination जहिले पनि हाम्रो के हुन्छ कि common sense भन्दा अगाडि हुनुपर्छ अरे. We have to imagine. Yes, and when we imagine, what happens, we comes to be quite creative, है, creative हुनुपर्छ भनेर यसबाट. अर्को, a child mind is inquisitive as well as delicate. बच्चाको एउटा दिमाग के हुन्छ भने inquisitive भन्यो, केही जानु जानु, केही खोजु खोजु, नयाँ नयाँ कुरा कोही बुझु भन्यो. You can also see, you must have seen your brothers, younger brother or younger sisters, केही कुरा देख्यो भने सानो सानो बच्चा यो के हो, हजार थरीका कुराहरू सोध्न थाल्छ. So what happens, a child mind is inquisitive as well as delicate. Okay, in the same way, next point, imagination and fantasy reflect the elasticity of his or her mind. See, what happens when you imagine, yes, or when you think about anything, then what happens, the elasticity of our mind increases. हामी सोच्छौं, जब कल्पना गर्छौं, त्यो कल्पनाले, हाम्रो सोचाइले, हैन, हाम्रो दिमागलाई तन्काउँछ के. Yes, so it helps to grow, है, हामीलाई यसले सहयोग गर्छ. So imagination and fantasy reflect the elasticity of his or her brain. Next one, unconscious courage helps dig creativity. So what happens, the boy also has, the courage, but unconscious. Yeah, he doesn't get that courage knowingly, but unknowingly, yes, he collects the courage, and that courage comes due to his confrontation with the fear. है, उसले डर जब फेस गर्छ नि, फेस गरिसकेपछि उसमा अटोमेटिक उसमा एक प्रकारको के आउँछ त, अनकन्सियसली उसमा के हुन्छ, करेज आउँछ. र त्यो करेज, साहसले हामीलाई के बनाउँछ, क्रिएटिभ बनाउँछ. Okay, next one, the predetermined goal provides unimaginable power to tackle problems. Predetermined goals, yes, when you think of this one, पहिला नै सेट भएको, पहिला नै डिटरमाइन गरेको गोल. जस्तै the boy also has the goal. The goal is to get a puppy, हैन, पप्पी पाउने उसको चाहिँ गोल छ, हैन. अब त्यो पप्पीलाई पाउने भनेपछि एउटा डेस्टिनेसन छ, डेस्टिनेसन हामीले फिक्स गर्नुपर्छ भन्ने हो त. अनि त्यो भइसकेपछि what happens, unimaginable power to tackle problems. त्यस्तो छ भने हामीले, if we have, the goal set, yes, for our future, then we mostly we get power and we keep going ahead, tackling the problems that might come across our ways, eh? हाम्रो बाटोमा आउने सबै प्रब्लम समाधान गर्दै what we can move forward, हामी forward हुन्छौँ. Okay, so and then maturity and experience come with interacting with situations and difficulties. Say what happens until you face difficulties and situations, yes, you will not try to find the solutions, remember. So what happens when any difficult situations appear or come, what do? You try to tackle that situation, you try to interact with that situation. And when you interact with that situation or those difficulties, what happens, you will get matured and you will just get experiences. So हामीले म्याचुरिटी पनि प्राप्त गर्न सक्छौँ, एक्सपिरियन्स प्राप्त गर्न सक्छौँ यी समस्याहरू झेल्दै गयो भने, हैन. But when you plan to run away from the problems and difficulties, है, problem or difficulties बाट हामी भाग्यौँ भने, that won't solve our problem, है. We won't get mature, or we won't get experienced enough. Next one, progression rather than regression leads to success. Progression भनेको जहिले पनि अगाडि जाने, है. Regression means turning back. So what happens when you turn back, when you go back, when you are backward looking, yes, so you will not get success. Yeah, rather if you are progressive, you look forward, yes, you want to do something, something just going forward without looking backward. Or if we become more modernized, when you see forward, thinking of the growing arena of knowledge, yes, or modernity or inventions or something like that, yes, this we can get success, है. हामी चाहिँ अगाडि बढ्दै जानुपर्छ, पछाडि फर्कियो भने हामीले सफलता पाउँदैनौँ. नयाँ नयाँ कुरा सिक्नु पर्यो, हैन. पुराना कुराहरूलाई के गर्नु पर्यो त, बाँकी राख्नु पर्यो भनेको. त्यो पुराना कुराहरूलाई छोड्दै त्यहाँबाट केही लर्निङ गर्दै हामी गर्छौँ. So how can you relate this with the story मा के छ, the boy, yes, he doesn't turn back. Yeah, though he had he faced problems and he found that there was the problem, but still what happens, he continued his what journey, है. journey continue गर्दै गयो, पछाडि फर्केन. अब पछाडि नफर्केको कारणले अगाडि जाँदै गयो त्यसपछि he learned, yes, जस्तै खुट्टा उठाउँदै गयो, यल्लो भाग खोज्दै गयो, त्यो पनि there was getting experience, त्यो पनि एक्सपिरियन्स थियो, हैन. But still he was not completely matured, है. पूर्ण रूपमा उ matured थिएन, जसले गर्दाखेरि लास्ट पार्टमा गएर के भयो त, अलिकति द ब्ल्याक पार्टतिर टेक्ने जस्तो भयो. Okay, so in the same way, what happened, same, the role of self confidence in overcoming fear. So we should have self confidence. हामी आत्मविश्वासी छौं भने we can overcome fear, है. हामी fear चाहिँ के गर्न सक्छौं, overcome गर्न सक्छौं. Yes, so these are the points, yes, related to the theme of this story. Okay, यो चाहिँ के हो त, यति चाहिँ theme हो. And just finished with this one. Okay,